cardamom seeds. Okay, besides being a wonderful spice to cook with, it also has spiritual benefits to it. It brings joy, it brings clarity, it increases your wisdom. It also works with the heart chakra, also works with sacral chakra, right? And it's ruled by Mars. So if you have Mars in one of your houses, you will find that you have maybe a little bit difficulty with certain aspects in your life. For example, if you have Mars in your sixth house represents your wellness, your health, your jobs that you do, and you find that you get exhausted in doing things. You work yourself to the bone, okay, and you get really exhausted in what you do. It's like you always try and find different ways, but as Mars is in that house, it puts that extra pressure on those values in that house. Okay, so what you need to do, so I'm just using this as an example. If you have Mars in the sixth house, and as it represents your health, health and wellness and jobs, things of that nature, you need to start incorporating this type of herb into your life. So you would cook with it, have teas, you do your workings. If you work with Mars, this would actually take off a bit of the pressure that Mars is bringing onto your into your astrological chart. Okay, it would take off that bit of pressure. So yeah, it's a good herb to have, to drink. It has good health benefits. It's actually good for luck as well. So if you carry them around with you, it says to bring good luck. And it's got good health benefits because it gets rid of colds, fevers, if you're feeling sick, a little bit of joint pains here and there. This is good to also use in your diet. Okay, so that's cardamom seeds.